to the channel. I have a new makeup mirror that I'm super excited to show you about today. It's larger than I expected and larger than any mirror that I've had before, and it's lighted by 12 LED lights. This is the Mirrormore Hollywood style makeup mirror. It's fairly large, as you can see, measuring 14 by 18 inches. So if you are a makeup guru, or you're into makeup, or maybe even costume design, or you like taking selfies and doing your hair, this is the mirror for you. It swivels so you can have all sorts of angles. Up, down, whatever you use, you can use. Whatever you need, you can use it. And it has three lights, three modes. So this is the kind of natural light amber mode. I'm gonna turn it all the way up for you because you can adjust the light brightness actually. So that's all the way bright. I like this one. It kind of brings some natural tones out of my face. Here's a lighter LED shade. And just like the other one, you can adjust the light to whatever brightness you choose. And then the fourth time you hit the button, it is off. And then this is the first one, because I started on the amber, that was the second one. This is the first one, the bright LED, nice white shade. Great for picture taking. And yeah, all of them are adjustable, so if you want to take a stunning selfie, there you go. If you want to have better light while doing your makeup, boom, you have it. So I've always wanted a Hollywood style mirror. I love the lights that go around. You kind of feel like you're in this fancy luxury vanity. So I really enjoy this. It does have an AC adapter. It's not battery powered and you don't have to worry about an on or off switch. All you have to do is press the button on the mirror itself and plug it into the wall. So you just make sure you have an extra outlet open and you can take all the selfies, do all your makeup in a pretty good space. It does come with an instruction manual just in case nothing is clear. All you need right here. It did come with a tiny little circular suction mirror. I'm gonna pull it out for you. I haven't opened it or looked at it yet. By Mirrormore as well. And this has 10 times magnification, so maybe if you're plucking your eyebrows, putting on mascara or something that you need, you're just the biggest magnification. Here it is. It can be suction cupped right on to wherever you please. The bottom is anti-skid, so you're not gonna have to worry about, potentially pushing it out of the way and dropping it, breaking all the LED lights, which by the way, they're attached, so I don't have to worry about putting them all right out of the package. I know some people have to screw some on if they have a very special vanity, but there's also a little tray at the bottom. If you hear thunder, we have a thunderstorm going on right now, but yeah. But there is a little tray at the bottom, so maybe you put like some mascara in, eyeliner, something you can easily grab and put right on. So here's a better look at it from the side. It is fairly tall, so you're going to need to make sure you do have room for this. But here's the back. The back, as you can see, all you need is to plug it in. And here's the base, the anti-skid base. As you can see, that is covered. You're not gonna have to worry about it falling over, being pushed out of the way easily or anything like that. All right, so here are the lights. This is your cool light here. Your warm, I love this one. This is my favorite one. And then your natural. Alright, so that's a look at the Mirrormore Hollywood style makeup mirror. Check the description section below for any information. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.